Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT. Thank you for clicking on this video. I know this is a different type one for me, but I don't know. I love Platinum D. She's my sister in my head, y'all. Like that, my sister, my best friend, and all. And I don't usually recreate looks or even attempt to, but I don't know. I saw this look and I absolutely fell in love with it, and I tried my very best to recreate it all with drugstore products. But nonetheless, it's not exactly the same, but it's still pretty and it's different for me because I never do this much color, so I really enjoy doing this. So if you want to see me try to recreate Platinum D's feeling blue look, then definitely stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, I hope that you subscribe to this channel by the end of this video. Give me a thumbs up for effort. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I've already moisturized my face with moisturizer, and I also already put some moisturizer on my lips. So next I'm gonna go in and prime my face with this Becca Aromat Poreless Primer Protector, and then I'm gonna go in this Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer for my eyelids. While that's set, I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows. My eyebrows are not done, as you can probably tell, so it's gonna take a little minute to get right. I'll be using a spoolie to get those hairs together, and I also will be using this pencil from Color Mates in the color Black Brown, and a mixture of eye gels. This is Folallure, I'm not really sure to say that, in the color Chocolate, and Wet n Wild Fergie Collection in the color Cocoa Rich. Okay, I went in over the bra with this e.l.f. bra gel, clear bra gel, to help keep my hairs in line. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm going to go over and sculpt out the eyebrow with this Nicka K HD concealer in the color Dark Cappuccino on top, and in the color Lion on the bottom. Under my eyes and conceal my dark circles with the Dark Cappuccino. I just like to let this sit here for a while because it's pretty liquidy. I do this with all my concealers now, but definitely with this one because it is so wet. So I'll let this sit under my eye while I move on to the eye look. So for the eye look, we're going to go into two palettes here. We're going to be using the Provisions. Looks like this on the back. I don't know official name of it here, but it has a whole bunch of shimmery shades. So we're going to be digging into some of those to try to recreate this look. And then also from the BH Cosmetics, sorry, I try to wipe it off because all my stuff looks horrible, but oh well, I'm not a guru and I use my stuff. So this is the 120 color palette eyeshadow, second edition from BH Cosmetics. And so we're actually going to be using, normally I only use this first one. As you can tell, I dig into this one a lot, but I will be digging into the second half, which as you can see, I've never touched. So yeah, So for my crease color, I normally just go in with the brown and the orange and mix those together. But I'm going to include a little bit of this fuchsia pink here. It looks like her eyeshadow had a little bit of pink in it. So as the brow bone highlight, I'm going to go in. She used the peach from the bronze, but of course we're doing budget friendly on this. I'm gonna take, let's take the light is shining too harsh. Let's go with that one. Yeah, let's try that one. Now I'm gonna go in with the outer V. I did do the tape trick like she did, and we're gonna go ahead and fill that in. All right, I'm gonna use this Princessia Eye Black pencil to go under and inside my waterline. Alright, next she goes in with a eyeshadow, like a base, eyeshadow base in the color blue. I do not have that. Now, do you see this is a brand new LA Pro Concealer? Why does the water come out before the product does? That's why I started using the different ones. So anyways, I'm going to put this on my lid to outline where I'm going to put the blue as a base. Alright, I'm going to go in with a couple of these blues here to try to get a good payoff blue. So this is a good dark navy blue here, and then this is more of like a royal blue, and we're just gonna put this where I put the concealer. Ooh, that's pretty. That is bright. Top with the other side of this brush with this blue color right here from the Profusion palette to try to get that that shiny glitter look. From the other part of the 120 palette, we're going to go under the eye with this teal. I think this is teal. That kind of matches what she did. Maybe a mixture. Okay, for the inner corner, she did like a white gold, so I'm gonna choose this one right here from the Profusion palette. That may be too white. Yeah, so we'll mix it with a little bit of this gold down here. Alright, now we're going to go in with our foundation. I did eventually blend out that concealer. I didn't show that on camera, but I did do that. Foundation today will be the Mary Kay Time Wise Luminous Wear Foundation in the color Bronze 8. I love this foundation. I prefer the matte formula, but I have the wrong color in the matte, and I don't want to get rid of it. I'm just not gonna. Oh, I want to use that one first before I buy it. Alright, off camera, I put on my highlighter. I used the Nickel K in Lion. I've been letting that sit for a minute. And then I also, she did not contour, she bronzed, but I cannot find that Cover Queen bronzer in a store to save my life. I'm gonna get it, but I went in with, this is from Black Radiance. I don't know, it's been rubbed off now, but it's a concealer stick in the color, I know the number is 8003. So I'm just gonna blend all of that out, and I'll be I'll be setting my under eye with this e.l.f. high definition powder. I won't bake with or anything. That's just what I will set that with. Lashes, and yeah, I don't do lashes, so we're just gonna do a bunch of coats of mascara. This is one I got from e.l.f. Alright, mascara has been added to the top and bottom lashes, and that really just made the whole look come out. So next I'm going with lips here. I am going to do a mixture. Here I have the Nickel K True Matte in the color Turkish Rose, and then I have the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu. And what I'm going to do is a thin layer of this one. I love this color, but it's not the best. Actually don't look that bad today on camera, but in person you could tell it's a little blotchy. I'm gonna go on top with the gloss. I forgot to add some blush. Spray the face first with our e.l.f. Makeup and Mist spray, and then with our NYX Matte Finish spray. Alright, as you can see, my wig is not like hers. I don't own any straight wigs. Y'all know I'm a curly hair girl. This is the current one that I'm working with. This is the Outro wig in the Willa style. Here, only thing I do to refresh my wig is I take some mousse and I use my solution. I use this for my natural hair, but it's just water and conditioner and some oil. So I spritz my hair with that, and then I go in with the mousse and fluff it all out.